Welcome to our next instalment of the Questions and Myths series of films. We're on the marvellous South Terrace at Wentworth Woodhouse. One viewer has asked, is the terrace on the list for restoration?
The terrace at Wentworth Woodhouse is a key architectural feature of the gardens. It was designed as a raised area overlooking the estate and is supported by a large bastion wall. The wall is over 1,500 feet or around 458 metres long. It was built in 1735 and the following year part of it collapsed and had to be rebuilt. The cause of the collapse was due to the fact that the architect, Ralph Tunnicliffe, hadn't used enough clamps or troughs to secure the stonework. The wall was rebuilt in 1736 and this delayed work on the main east front of the house. Today, the terrace is a favourite place for our visitors who enjoy the views it provides, but the bastion wall is again in need of repair. Parts of it have collapsed and other areas are clearly showing signs of neglect. There's a long list of priority jobs that need attention at Wentworth Woodhouse, and the restoration of the bastion wall is amongst them. For now, we've made the terrace safe for visitors and we're closely monitoring the condition of the wall. At present, we don't have the funding to undertake the major repairs required, but as soon as we do, we'll let you know on this channel.
Thank you for watching this latest video, and we hope that you enjoy watching these films as much as we enjoy making them. If you have enjoyed it, then look out for the future releases in the series.